He can continue to do a lot of damage, even though when and if Vice President Biden becomes President-elect Biden, he still has the power of the presidency for the next 76 days. And we need to be prepared for anything that he might have in mind, because one thing that's really important to remember about Donald, if he thinks he's going down, he's going to try to take the rest of us down with him.
Are you serious?
Well, yeah, of course I'm serious. We saw that last night at 7 o'clock Eastern time. He gave a speech in which he essentially told people that the legitimacy of the United States elections could not be trusted. This is the man in the Oval Office. This is the most powerful person in the country. This is ostensibly the leader of the country telling people that we cannot trust the vote, which has been sacred in this country for over 200 years. So that is that's an attempted coup. We can't be delicate about this. We need to be very straightforward about what's going on here. The consequences of this cannot be underestimated, and it's going to take us a very, very long time to repair the damage he's inflicting upon us right now.
And you don't think there's any hope that he might actually just concede and do the honorable thing and leave?
Well, he's incapable of doing anything honorable, and I think it's extraordinarily unlikely that he concedes. If he were to, it would be grudging. But what I know for a fact that he will not do, or I shouldn't say for a fact, but it is my considered opinion that he will do absolutely nothing to engage in the traditional gestures that incumbents who lose engage in, which would be helping the new incoming administration be prepared, being engaged in a peaceful transfer of power. Donald will not do these things. If anything, he will undermine a Biden-Harris administration at every turn in the hopes of rendering them illegitimate, at least in the eyes of his most fanatical followers.